I caught you. I caught you. Gonna get you. You better run, Bubba. He hasn't gone anywhere this morning without his little lawnmower. It goes where he goes. Say thanks, Nana, for my lawnmower. Thank you. Get you. Oh. I'm going to get you. You better run.